Hello, my name is Alex and this is WP Lovers channel where I usually speak about WordPress website building in Russian. As you probably know, Russia conducts a special peacekeeping and de-Nazi operation in Ukraine. And also, if you probably know, the Crocoblock Elementor addons kit is founded in Ukraine too. Of course, they shaved off our licenses, download opportunities, updates and support. All of this now unavailable for Russians. No money back, no emails about, just some posts on Facebook and Telegram chats. Yes, they provided the opportunity to turn the license back by filling out the form that is unacceptable for any citizen and patriot. In addition, they began to call other top WordPress developers to do the same. Yes, the world propaganda shouts from every iron or hair dryer that Russians are monsters. You don't even know the truth. You see the monsters in us because they show us as monsters. They fabricate and create videos and photos that nothing to do with current events. They are holding their own citizens as human shields and hostages, while Russian troops are ready to provide green corridors and humanitarian aid. They place military equipment in residential schoolyards and kindergartens. They distribute more than 20,000 weapons to the civilian population without any documents and instructions. So they want as many people as possible die and to blame Russia for this. If you're still able to think and analyze, if you want to know the real truth from the other side, from the Russian side, I can show you. I can show you all video proofs what I said above. I can show you Ukrainians with Nazi tattoos, so they don't say that there are no Nazis in Ukraine. So please subscribe to my Telegram and Reddit, because I can't show many things on YouTube and this channel is about WordPress. I want you to understand that the purpose of this video is not to complain. We'll find a replacement of Crocoblock. The purpose of this video is to show to the whole WordPress community and maybe the whole world that any of you can be in our place. And if tomorrow our Western friends will unleash a war somewhere else, as they like, and this will be contrary to Crocoblock's ideology, you can also stay without licenses. And another purpose to this video is to show you the truth. So please subscribe to my alternative channels to know it. Thanks for watching, stay safe and goodbye.